Hello, welcome to Present Arms Linux. Hello, and as you can see, I have just crossed. Oops, because I've just rolled over the lid there. 200 subscribers. Oh yeah, and my latest subscriber is Jill Bryant. So thank you, Jill. 37 minutes ago, gave me my 200th sub. Excellent. So thank you every single one of you who has subbed me. It's really appreciated. So we'll just close down Brave. Not sure what else I'm doing yet. As you can see, I've been working. You see, I don't get it about. I'll show you. If I go to new, it's going to call it Bob, just for argument's sake, right? It's Linux, other Linux. Right, next. Now, I ain't sure what happened to English Bob with his own OS here. So, I am going to try and just like do a quick one. I mean, I can just boot it off the tool I have. In fact, I'll minimise that for a minute and I will. Bear with me. So if I go to more apps and VBox test media, I can pick an ISO file. Where did I put it? Oh yeah, Twin Home. Present. My ISOs. And you can see here somewhere it's English Bob XFCE 29, which is the one that I did for him. Right. Now I haven't done anything special to the VM. I've just left it at its defaults for the test. So we'll see how this boots. In fact, we'll go full screen. So I couldn't understand why yesterday, it was booting so slow on his rig. His rig's a lot more powerful than mine. A lot more. And other stuff like that. So I am unsure as to what went wrong and why XFCE, which is the base of the distro, didn't want to come up. So you can probably hear me making a cigarette there, so that's fine. I do this every stream for some reason. It's become a habit. Okay, now I only put it at 2 gig for the RAM, and there's only one core, so she isn't going to be lightning. But there you go, the right way up, as guessed, and everything is just there. Interesting, eh? If I go to PVC, see if I can make another user. That system. Yeah, telling me VirtualBox is needing to update. I do know. Manage users. Manage users. Add a user. Ali. I'm not even going to bother with the password. I'll just copy it. Okay, let's log out of that then. Okay, that's cool. Although I do notice that down the bottom here, it won't connect to the internet because I didn't set that up. I'm sure there's a panel down here, and there isn't one. Ooh. Okay, but that's how she's running there. So if I just shut that down. Yeah, let's control F it. And go back to VirtualBox and boot up the keys. Oh, hang on. I'll go settings, haven't I? Because just to make it fair, he gave me 2 procs, so I will do the same. Come on now. Acceleration, default, KVM, video display, let's swing that up. Leave that as it is. In fact, I was ticking the 3D because he did. I'm just wondering if I can. Okay, we got that there. Oh, the VM's asking me to press enter so it can close. There we go, and we'll close that off. And we'll start that one off. If you hear any squeaking that up, it's the flutter above me. Playing. Kids, that is. So we'll boot it and see if we can get it upside down. Ooh, the banging. Okay, let's UK keyboard. Yeah, there is one down here on this one. Okay, just probably didn't want to show itself on either. That's absolutely fine. I should have full screen. I do. Okay, so let's install. See, mark executable. Oh, that's a fix. That's fine. That's not really a problem now. Yes, I will update the virtual tools after. So just next. It's what I told them to do in the stream. Just go next to everything. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Next. Yep. And it's installing. And you had a lot of chaps on the stream, but that's fine. Tim had to knock up a VM. Tuts. Okay, I'm going to pause just for a minute. This might take longer than usual because there is a lot of software. Okay, I've returned. It's at the prepare initial startup, which is the bootloader. Go next on that. I'll just wait for it now. And finish. Bootloader installation in progress. So, we'll wait for this. Of course, I finish in a minute and to do whatever I need to do, so I will do that. And I'll just restart. Are you sure? Absolutely. Right, it's on 5.2.21 on this. I'll have it updated. It'd be interesting actually to see how many updates were on this. So press the, once live CD is removed, it does eject at the end. Okay, okay, we'll go for the default. Booting the system goes to a strange window there for whatever reason. But that's all good. Oh, this keeps whisking away there. I have just put this on a normal hard drive. It's not an SSD or anything, which would have certainly quickened things up. Okay, he likes to go Europe and thingo. Oh, guest editions are just store themselves. So I normally do GB, which is the same thing, but he likes to do this and get to London, wherever London is, there. And next. Okay, I'll just put a password in and add myself. There we go. And this is what Bob should have seen the first time he booted. It's the right way around. Wallpaper takes a bit of time to get in there, but it will. And I don't understand why his was back to front upside down. I have no idea what he did to his virtual machine. So I log out, and as a reason for this, I'm going to restart the VM once more. Okay, booting up for a second time, and I'm already at the login screen. There's a strange thing with the GDM where it won't show the password when it's on a small window. Really strange. But you can see it's loaded up, and yeah, it does take time for the guest editions to say, hey, there we go. So I am unsure what happened with Bob's system and when he tried it. I really am, because that's just perplexing me. Seriously. Yeah, I don't have the fastest internet yet, so we'll just let this reload and see what we do have. Let's have a look. Advisor themes, bin utils, blues, breeze, busybox. Basically half the OS has to be reinstalled. Okay, that's something I can do another time. I've got it on my other partition anyway. So let me just close that down. Because that is just weird why it won't work on his. Anyway, I will be setting to work on that another day. Anyway, this was just to commemorate the 200th stream, and I just want to see Bob's ISO did work in the VM, and it does for me, as you just saw. Not a problem. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this, and I will catch you all again soon. Take care and be well, and enjoy your Sunday.